of the TMT project, Indian astronomers worked with Professor Andrea Ghez. Indian astronomers worked with Professor Andrea Ghez, who was chosen recently for the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics. Indian astronomers and Professor Andrea Ghez were part of the team that worked towards the evaluation of possible frontline science cases and instrumentation for TMT,
Good morning,
utilizing
friends.
associated frontline cutting-edge technologies like adaptive optics. The collaboration also resulted in 2 significant research papers utilizing associated frontline cutting-edge technologies like adaptive optics. The collaboration also resulted in 2 significant research papers that were published in the reputed journals in 2015 and 2016. This international project seeks to advance scientific knowledge while